How to change email on your Quotex app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change email on your Quotex app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and simply head over to qxbroker.com, and you will land on your Quotex website. And from there, just make sure to log into your account. Now, once you land on the home page, on the left side, you'll find your navigation bar like your support account and all of these stuff. So you'll just want to head over to your account section on the left side of your screen. And once you land on your account page, if you scroll down, you'll find your nickname, all of your details like your first name, last name, and your country of residence and everything else. So in order to edit your email address, then you will just have to go ahead and verify your account. So as you can see, right now my account is not verified, but if you have your account verified and if you have verified your documents, then in that case you can easily edit your email address here and you can change it to whichever email you'd like. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.